How to fix Nvidia graphics cards not detected in Windows. 1. Show hidden devices via dev.msc. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Update your BIOS. 4. Repair corrupted system files. Commands include sfc /scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthism/online/cleanupimage/restore health 5. Other tips. Run /setc express force disable command as admin. Uninstall recent Windows. Updates.